is, can I put a profile photo of the bulls of the temple, or it will be a sin?
In a profile picture, you mean? What?
Yeah, in a profile photo, for example, in WhatsApp.
I would not do so. It's like a degradation, like you in the temple is almost the same thing. So don't do it. You know what I'm saying? It's a degradation.
It's a commandment that grave any image.
No, there is no problem with image. It's not an issue. It's a problem, as I said. It's like you associate yourself with the temple, right? Where's the connection? Images we have. When we say about images, I think we can learn about images also. It's actually in the same volume, the same book. So the HaShem said the only images that of the stars, of the moon, all of these planets are forbidden because other people worship them. And the images of like 3D image, like figures of for sure forbidden. The four figures that on Hashem's throne of glory, whatever it means, Kiseh HaKovod, which is image of the man, which is Yaakov, who represent the humanity. Image of eagle, the king of all of the birds, and image of bull, the king of all of the domesticated animals, and a lion, which is the king of all of the wild animals. So those for sure don't have the figures, but others, like, it's not recommended to have figures, but if I mean, and plus not very not recommend to have like 3D sculptures of people, for sure not. But the drawings, there is no problem.
So would be forbidden to have because I like these bulls. I don't know if it is one bull or several bulls. I think they are golden. They are in the temple. Maybe have a representation scale. It would be forbidden to have that in our possession.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get bulls in the temple.
Yes, some figure of a bull holding something in the temple that is a golden color.
The only bulls in a temple that I can think of, it was in Shlomo's temple. It was like big basin. They call it a sea. It was huge, and it was like it was from copper, like huge, like container of water, and where the Kohanim would dip as a mikveh, and it was rested on the backs of the bulls, like they were like columns. But other bulls, I would not know. Like, are you talking about that thing?
Yeah, Shlomo temple. It would be forbidden to have that.
It's better, exactly, because we do not actually know how it looks like. So all the pictures are very good, but we don't have any documentation. I mean, if you try to read the explanations, okay, I mean, the explanation may make sense, but if the other artists would drew it differently based on the same information, I would think so. Understand? So it's not a true representation of these those things. So I would say don't do it.
Last question.